Hi. I'm talking to my friend Bouquet.
So Tugce dragged me out of bed at 6 this morning just so we could go fishing again before she leaves.
My last fishing trip, I call it. Until next April.
No, the time doesn't come up, it blinks. Alright, so if you're from this area and you ever want to come here, you just have to go up East Street in Oneonta and then come through Wilber Pond or Wilber Lake. You can also just find it on your GPS. Throw it in your phone, Google Maps.
Stand still for a moment. So that we can hear the sounds.
How do you go? So having lived in Turkey for 4 years and experienced it for the better part of 5, and now being back in America, I'm comparing sometimes, like, you know, why I like living in America. Our point is one reason I like living back in America or prefer about America than Turkey is the nature and being so close to nature. Even though there are things I prefer about Turkey, such as the food.
Do you want me to translate it now?
Yeah, real quick for your mom.
4 yıl Türkiye'de yaşadıktan sonra Amerika'ya gelince fark ettiğim şey şu oldu ki neden Amerika'yı Türkiye'ye tercih ediyorum diye sorarsanız doğa ve doğaya yakınlık derdim. Her ne kadar Türk yemeklerini tercih etsem de.
Ve büyük coffee var.
Evet. Kahve içiyoruz.
Yeah. We have bigger coffee.
Oh, that's true, yeah. Amerika'da kahve daha büyük.
Amerika coffee daha büyük. It is.
The water levels are really...
Yeah, get you hooked up. So what we got here is we got your standard American fishing setup, which consists of a little weight called split shot, yourself a hook,
and my favorite,
a swivel,
and
let's take one of these guys, a night crawler.
Those I can't really touch them.
Here, put it.
I really can't touch them.
Let me just put it on here, cast it out, and wait. So, funny story about these. These are called night crawlers, mainly because they come out at night, especially when it's raining. So, when Tugce was here last summer visiting, we're pulling out of a gas station and convenience store. She goes, "What is a night crawler?" So I asked her, I was like, "What do you think they are?" I forget what you said.
I forgot what I said too.
And then when I told her, she was kind of surprised. And so yeah, that's
Yeah, they sell this like these guys on every stores almost.
Yep.
Gas station, convenience stores.
Alright, so
First cast of today.
cast it out like so. Then you just put it on a stick here. And you wait for the fish to bite.
Oop, sorry, I wasn't.
Doesn't get easier than that.
Oop.
I think we had a bite here. Wait. Let it bite. We'll come back if she gets a fish on.
I don't want to catch it.
Reel it in. Is it big?
Oh, it got away. It got away.
See, alright.
Oh, it got away.
Let me recast
Good.
it.
I'll cast it.
Alright.
Cast it.
You have to set the hook. Oh,
Where did it go?
right
Okay,
there.
it does- okay. That was my good shot. Oh, I hope I won't slip and die. Yeah, so muddy. Get closer to the tree line, it's not as muddy.
That's true.
As you get closer to the lake, it's like, slideshow.
Yeah, we had to get out of that sun for a bit.
Yeah.
Choke initially.
Chris might have a bite.
I do, it's a matter if I can catch him or not. You gotta set your hook, so sometimes you just take your chances and just like nothing. Gambling. Fishing is gambling. If you like gambling, you like fishing. If you like fishing, you like gambling.
Oh, the worm
No
is
worm.
gone. Let me show it. Wait. Yeah. Somebody ate it. Good breakfast. A bite! A tiny guy, but a bite.
Finally, we landed it. Little guy here.
Oh no! Help it.
Little rock bass, I think.
Oh, it didn't die, did it?
No, sunfish. I think that's the guy that's been bugging us.
Come on, go away, fish. Are you okay, fish?
He's alright. Got a nice one on, and my bet is it's a bullhead just because I walked away to help Tugce to this spot. And,
Oh.
you know, I've done this a few times.
Oh.
Check that out, yep, it's a bullhead.
What's a bull? Okay, I'll have to Google it, I
Show you,
guess.
Look,
There's
It's a
the
bullhead.
Hello, fishy.
if they're a little bigger, they're called like catfish, you know?
All catfish, I know them. Can you eat them?
Yeah, they're pretty good. It's in the catfish family, but yeah, this guy's a bullhead.
Oh.
They're kind of stingy though, you gotta be a little careful. That's our big catch for the day, and seeing how we're down to our last worm, I think that's gonna be it.
Yeah, let's let it go.
We can't, we gotta eat him.
No.
He swallowed the hook.
Oh no. We decided to let the fish go because we managed to get the hook out. And yeah, even though I eat meat, fish, it's still not easy for me to decide to keep them.
Probably someday in the future, Tugce and I will be vegetarians. It seems to be going that way. Look at your bobber. It's not going down, but it looks like it's going. Look.
Yeah, I
Look,
see
your
it.
turn. That's
I
your
see
pole.
it.
That's your pole.
I don't know.
You're the bobber fisher.
Oh jeez, I hope they didn't swallow that.
I don't think they're on, so we might not have to worry about that. There was something messing with it over there, though. Yeah, you can watch the bobber a little bit. Just be, if that bobber...
I decided to reel it in.
Alright, we'll give it a worm check. An hour in, we're out of our dozen worms, so this might just turn into a hike real quickly.
Oh, worm is gone.
we're gonna salvage that little bit of worm. I'm gonna. Alright, so this fishing adventure is now a hike. Even though we did change gears and put lures on.
Yeah, no need to fish any longer.
Yeah, my patience with fishing is less than it used to be, so, you know. But I'm curious, so we're at the Oneonta Reservoir, also known as Wilber Pond, or Wilber Lake. And I'm curious what's on the other side of here. Yeah. And actually, I remember this spot. I came fishing here with my father, and there used to be a bridge here. I caught a big rock bass, like right there. I'd be curious if he also remembers it. You never know. I'll ask him.
This happens to your shoes when you fish in the mud. Right?
Yep, what a muddy mess.
Yep. You gotta wash these clothes.
It was nice to explore the reservoir again, but it's starting to heat up, so time to go. Hit some golf balls. I got on my Lucky Fishing t-shirt Tugce bought me last summer, right?
Yeah.
For my birthday.
For your birthday.
I did catch the biggest trout I ever caught out of a stream with it on, so
Yeah.
might indeed be lucky.
Sure.
And Sona, Guru Sharoos, and stay tuned for more real American living with Chris and Tugce.